Traveling on a budget can be both rewarding and challenging. While it allows you to explore new places without breaking the bank, it also comes with its fair share of pitfalls. Here are some of my biggest mistakes as a budget traveler and the invaluable lessons I learned from them. Overpacking. One of my first and most frequent mistakes was overpacking. Carrying a heavy, overloaded backpack not only slowed me down, but also led to additional baggage fees on budget airlines. Over time, I learned the importance of packing light. I now prioritize versatile clothing and essential items, ensuring I have room for souvenirs and less strain on my back. This approach has made my travels much more enjoyable and less cumbersome. Additionally, packing light allows for easier mobility, especially when navigating through crowded airports or hopping on and off public transportation. It's also more convenient to store a smaller bag in hostel lockers or under bus seats, enhancing overall travel security and comfort. Skimping on travel insurance. Early in my travels, I often skipped travel insurance to save money. This decision backfired when I faced unexpected medical expenses and trip cancellations. Travel insurance is crucial for covering unforeseen events like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage. Allocating 4 to 10% of your trip cost for insurance can save you from significant financial stress. Additionally, some credit cards offer travel insurance benefits, which can reduce this cost further. Beyond just medical coverage, travel insurance often includes protection for personal belongings, providing compensation for lost, stolen, or damaged items. It also offers emergency assistance services, which can be invaluable in navigating local healthcare systems or finding alternative travel arrangements. Not researching destinations thoroughly. In my eagerness to explore new places, I sometimes failed to research destinations thoroughly. This led to missed opportunities and unexpected costs. For instance, I once visited Panama without realizing the lack of tourism infrastructure near Panama City. Proper research would have informed me about better areas to visit and how to plan my journey more efficiently. Always take the time to understand your destination's logistics, culture, and attractions to maximize your experience. Knowing the best times to visit, the local customs, and potential safety concerns can also enhance your travel experience and help you avoid unnecessary hassles. Additionally, being aware of local events and festivals can provide unique opportunities to immerse yourself in the culture and make your trip even more memorable. Trying to see everything. One of the biggest mistakes I made was trying to see and do everything in a limited amount of time. This often resulted in a rushed itinerary and a lack of meaningful experiences. During a trip to Agra, I tried to visit multiple sites in one day, which left me exhausted and unsatisfied. I learned that it's better to focus on a few key experiences and immerse yourself in them fully. Quality over quantity should be the mantra for a fulfilling travel experience. By taking the time to savor each destination, you gain a deeper appreciation and understanding of the culture, history, and beauty of the place. This approach also allows for spontaneous discoveries and interactions with locals, which can lead to some of the most memorable moments of your trip. Additionally, a more relaxed itinerary reduces stress and allows you to enjoy your travels at a comfortable pace, making the entire experience more enjoyable and less overwhelming. Ignoring local customs and etiquette. Not paying attention to local customs and etiquette led to some awkward and uncomfortable situations. For example, in Japan, I didn't realize the importance of being quiet on public transport, which annoyed the locals. Understanding and respecting local customs can enhance your travel experience and help you connect better with the local culture. Researching and observing local practices can prevent misunderstandings and make your trip smoother. In many cultures, simple gestures like dressing modestly, removing shoes before entering homes, or using polite language can significantly impact how you are received by the locals. Additionally, showing respect for local traditions and customs demonstrates a willingness to engage genuinely with the culture, often leading to richer, more rewarding interactions and experiences. Taking the time to learn about these customs beforehand can also save you from inadvertently offending someone, ensuring a more harmonious and enjoyable travel experience. Failing to keep track of reservations. Another mistake I made was not keeping track of my reservations and travel documents. On several occasions, I found myself rummaging through my bag to find my itinerary or hotel booking confirmations. This not only wasted time, but also added unnecessary stress. Now, I use travel apps to organize my documents and keep digital copies on my phone, ensuring easy access whenever needed. This system also allows me to quickly share my travel details with companions or authorities when necessary. Additionally, having digital copies means I have backups in case physical copies are lost or damaged, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Apps like TripIt and Google Drive have become indispensable tools in my travel planning, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. Not budgeting for food properly. Food can be a significant travel expense, and not budgeting for it properly can lead to overspending. Initially, I didn't allocate a daily food budget, which often resulted in costly restaurant meals. To save money, I started eating like a local, opting for street food and cooking some meals. Grocery shopping and preparing my own meals in hostel kitchens have significantly reduced my food expenses, while allowing me to experience local cuisine in a different way. Exploring local markets not only saves money, but also provides a cultural experience that dining in restaurants often lacks. Additionally, packing snacks for day trips helps avoid impulse purchases of expensive food items. This approach has not only helped me manage my budget better, but also allowed me to taste a variety of local flavors and ingredients that I might have missed otherwise. Missing flights due to poor time management. Poor time management and underestimating the time needed to get to the airport led to missed flights and additional costs. This mistake taught me the importance of allowing plenty of time for travel to the airport, especially when dealing with traffic, check-in, and security lines. Arriving early not only reduces stress, but also gives you time to enjoy airport amenities like lounges, restaurants, and shops. On one occasion, I missed a flight due to underestimating traffic and the time required for security checks, which resulted in a costly last-minute rebooking. Now, I ensure to plan my journey to the airport with ample buffer time, factoring in possible delays and peak hours. Moreover, arriving early allows for a more relaxed start to the journey, giving you the chance to recharge devices, grab a meal, or simply relax before your flight. Overambitious itineraries. Planning overambitious itineraries with little downtime can lead to travel burnout. I used to cram as many activities as possible into my trips, leaving no room for relaxation. This approach often left me exhausted and unable to enjoy the destinations fully. I learned to build more flexibility into my plans, allowing time for rest and spontaneous exploration. This change has made my travels more enjoyable and less stressful. Including leisure days or afternoons in your schedule can help you recharge and better appreciate the unique aspects of each destination. Moreover, having free time allows for serendipitous discoveries, such as stumbling upon a local festival or enjoying a peaceful moment in a park, which can become some of the most cherished memories of your trip. Planning a balanced itinerary that combines sightseeing with relaxation ensures a more sustainable and fulfilling travel experience. Skipping travel hacks and discounts. Not taking advantage of travel hacks and discounts can result in missed savings. For instance, I didn't realize the benefits of using city passes, which offer discounts on attractions and transportation. Researching and utilizing these deals can significantly reduce travel costs. Additionally, booking activities and tours in advance often secures better prices and availability, enhancing your overall travel experience. Taking advantage of student, senior, or group discounts can further reduce expenses and allow for a more enjoyable trip. Using apps like Groupon and Travelzoo can also uncover exclusive deals and discounts that aren't widely advertised. Another effective strategy is to subscribe to newsletters from airlines and travel companies, which frequently offer special promotions and flash sales that can lead to significant savings. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy travels!